I chose to instruct at MCCC because I discovered what a wonderful opportunity it was for students.
I chose my career tech major because I always knew I wanted to do something in the medical field, and I figured this would be a great way to kind of investigate and see what exactly I wanted to do.
Our career tech major covers in the junior year Introduction to Healthcare. It goes over healthcare careers, basic patient care, learning how to do vital signs, STNA training. In the senior year, the students get their OSHA 10-hour healthcare certification in the beginning of the year.
The Medina County Career Center really offers two main classes for college credit, which is Introduction to Clinical Labs and Medical Terminology.
And that is built right into the curriculum.
They learn clinical lab skills, they check their glucose levels, their lipid profiles.
Our lab is set up, we have plenty of different rooms. We have regular doctor examination rooms, which we call the clinic. We have an OR, we have a little lab station, and it's set up like you're in a doctor's office almost, or a long-term facility.
In the junior year, they get their CPR and first aid certification, and they have the ability to earn their STNA.
The senior year, the students on the second semester are able to work outside of school, and that counts for their lab time. They're working as STNAs in long-term care facilities.
I am working as an STNA right now at Brunswick Point. As an STNA, I'm really just taking care of the residents, making sure they have water or food, and just making sure they're all cleaned up.
After graduation, our students typically go on to post-secondary education. The majority go on to nursing school, pre-med, or physician assistant.
When I graduate, I want to go to LCCC and get my associates. Then I can try and get a job at the Cleveland Clinic and go back to school, and my end goal would be a cardiovascular surgeon.
You just have to come check out the Medina County Career Center.